sound of your wieners getting smashed and a countdown to a complete cooler slush down. Ugh. So how about a cooler that doesn't need ice? This is the Chillest, the solar powered cooler that cools without ice. Let's face it, coolers are outdated. They waste space, get your food soggy, are hard to move.
Oh, come on!
And make it impossible to find anything.
Babe, I can't find my wieners!
And that's because they use ice, and ice sucks. So we at GoSun created a cooler that didn't need ice. We called it Chill. It's chill as So we put it on Indiegogo, raised some money, delivered to over 1,000 backers, and got a ton of awesome reviews. But that wasn't enough for us. We wanted to be Chillest. We added more features and improved on the ones that everyone loved. The Chillest is awesome at getting things cold and keeping them there. Control exactly what temperature you want from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and get it down in less than 30 minutes. If only my mother-in-law can chill that fast, that'd be great. 2 separate compartments now let you fridge and freeze simultaneously, so you can enjoy your ice cream and your beer. Refreshing. Chillest features an internal battery that lasts up to 10 hours. Supplement it with an external battery that lasts up to an additional 30 hours, and you got 40 hours of chill time. Then there's the solar table. It attaches to your Chillest and provides solar power of up to 25 watts of energy. So, as long as there's sun, you're charging fun. Not enough sun where you're at? Take some vitamin D and plug Chillest into your car. Chillest could run on a 12 volt or an AC adapter, so you can still chill with all your pasty friends. Best of all, the Chillest is ridiculously energy efficient, only using 45 watts of power. To compare, a blender uses 500 watts, a microwave uses 1200, and my mother-in-law goes off the charts. We increased the storage space to 45 liters. That's 60 beer cans. Added organizational containers so you can easily find everything you need.
I found my wieners, babe!
Mounted an optional shade to keep you and your pals nice and cool. Chill, dog. And add Bluetooth speakers. Pretty cool feature. Pretty chill feature. Plus, you can control everything from your phone. Siri, time to chill out.
Chilling out.
Still not sure about us? Go ahead and ask these people whether or not we deliver. Or go check out one of these reviews for the chill.
There is so much room. I've yet to fill it to full capacity.
Kept cold while we traveled all over Alaska on a week camping trip.
It cooled down from 69 degrees to 22 degrees in less than 30 minutes.
We're GoSun, and for the last 8 years, we deliver quality products that let you enjoy the outdoors without limits. The Chillest is the latest addition to our solar kitchen and integrates with all our other products, so you can cook, cool, clean, and brew wherever you want. It's time you dish the ice. Back our campaign now and chill out with the Chillest.
Here's Rose.
Say hello to Evolution 21, the most advanced smart helmet from LIVALL with upgraded light signaling. Its wide-angle front light and 270-degree rear lights offer maximum visibility, letting everyone know you're there. No more confusing hand signals. Just press the button on your handlebar to clearly signal your turn. When you hit the brakes, the speed sensors detect your stop and activate your rear lights to warn traffic. You can even customize your light combinations, making yourself hard to miss on the road. Smart on, smart off. Push the button once, and Evo 21 will take over from there. It will auto power up when you start your ride, and auto shut down when you're not riding. And it can automatically power on at night and dim down in daytime to save battery. Everyday rider, 10 hours of battery life will let you ride through the whole week worry-free. The Evo 21 is serious about impact protection, passing rigorous safety standard tests with an A-star rating. Heavy? No way. A mere 350 grams means you won't even realize it's there. It can also detect when you fall and send your location to an emergency contact. And if everything is okay, you can cancel the message within 90 seconds. Since 2014, LIVALL has been dedicated to giving riders the protection and innovation they need. This time around, we partnered with Ruma, one of Spain's top design studios, to create the Evolution 21's out-of-box design. The Evo 21 is designed to be lighter, brighter, and safer building on our 7 years of dedication to creating the perfect helmet. Ride with confidence. Ride with LIVALL. Ride with confidence. Ride with LIVALL.
Move with the rhythm. Shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. You've been working, but you're flirting with the weekend. You can freak out. 1 in a million. You're a gem shine when the light grows dim. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Groove with your hips and break it down. Stop when the clock hits 13. You've been learning and you're earning all of those hours. You can freak out.
Beach Day was a success, and now it's time to freshen up with the fam. Introducing the JOYFOUS retractable rolling shower screen. It's water repellent, mold proof, and super easy to set up for all 3-wall bathtubs. Just pull out the retractable water dam, adjust its size to match your bathtub, and attach it. Compared to traditional shower curtains, it runs in one smooth line from wall to wall, maximizing your shower space while creating a watertight seal to keep your bathroom dry for a no mess, no stress shower. The screen is designed with silicone coatings in PVC wrapped fiberglass, so you can retract the screen without drying. It won't turn yellow or get moldy even after 10 years of use. When water hits the screen, 80% of it rolls right off. Easy to clean and no gunk can stay. It's even stretchy and tear resistant, making big moves possible in the shower space The eco-friendly soft material is odor-free and hypoallergenic, so play never has to stop. Each screen is designed 55 inches tall and can fit all bathtubs up to 78 inches wide. When retracted, it's even unnoticeable, which makes your bathroom look bigger and better. This minimal look can revamp your bathroom with 2 color options. The shower screen can be installed in 2 easy ways: drilling it or gluing it. Hassle-free and no need to hire professionals. JOYFOUS. Enjoy happy showers every day.